Arriving with honoured guest Willem van der Welbachal at Puri Rangki, which was the labour of love of the late Agung Gede Putra Rangki, Puri Rangki, and today is the Mukur, the purification of the soul of the deceased. Swastiastu Karya Atma Vedana Agung Gede Putra Rangki. I've never been here before, but Agung's widow Ruchina showed me many photos. Rather splendid. Here he comes, Mr. Bupati Badung. Terus dia polis syuting itu. Tapi ajudan itu paling bagus. Swastiastu. Oh, ini pecalang bupati paling gagah. Oh, paling bagus pengawal bupati. The Piadnyan seems to be built in the north corner. We were told 8-ish, but probably more like 9-ish. 8 people are having their teeth filed. So we're stumbling through exotic courtyard after exotic courtyard. Finally, we find the Piadnyan. Heavens. Ruchina must be in here somewhere. Siastu. Dikit Piadnyan nge? Oh. Okay, Piadnyan's always in enclosure. It's supposed to be on virgin land. Very pretty. Beautifully done. Good timing. The Padanda's bell has just started. And here are the boys and girls who'll be getting their teeth filed. Sarang kutus matata hai, pandas hai. 10. Entering the Piadnyan. Swastiastu. Isn't it beautiful? Whoop, whoop. So here's the tooth filing bed for midgets. Very small. Isn't that beautiful? Seem to be this is the main Surya shrine. The witness shrine. This is very pretty with this lovely garden background. And this is the actual Piadnyan with all the numbers of all the Pengiring. Piadnyan Pangring. Very pretty. This is the Gana Upakaramapate Pulogumbol. It's all happening here. Palace ladies are in full Siap Siaga Satu mode. Haven't seen anyone I know yet. Magical atmosphere, lovely garden Piadnyan. It's the first, because usually they're quite stiff and temple-like, but this has captured the garden spirit of Rangki that Pak Agung loved so much. No, Pengeti sempiatnyan.
Arah organo.
Rio Helmi.
Pas. Mendingan aja nih. Kawan puyeng aja gitu.
The brothers and cousins of the deceased, Gede Cam.
Ya.
Just so you know.
Controversy on FB about this for months.
Ruchina with the two boys. Lovely. Ruchina has just announced that there's no plastic on the property, so I'm relieved about that.
We were discussing what to do with the sugar. You de-plastic.
This is the swan that will accompany the Atma, the spirit, to the sea tomorrow morning. And now everyone's getting ready for the prayer session. Putting the Rajan on the special wrap here. Ning masih kare Rajan ni. Kuat mah. Wah, kan gak enak balik oh. Kini dengan
Pengidaran.
names of all the main 8 Hindu gods going around the lotus leaves. Symbol of Majapahit actually. Tapi angkara ni ke? Angkara in the middle, the Om, the Holy Om. Beautifully done. Brother of the deceased.
Dah selesai.
Beautiful. So these are the punguns. Angin api.
Untuk nanti tetap nak kita maklu bulan.
This afternoon. Lots of babies having their 3rd month. So high up in the central shrine is the photo of Gede Putra with his Puspalinga here, his spirit effigy. And next to him is one of his aunt from Kapal. And she is called Kusti Ayurai Puji, and her Puspalingam here is very pretty. And they're in the central shrine, which is to the north of the other Piyatnya and the other grandstand of the spirits. And here's Guaji Manku, who did all that beautiful writing on the cargo wrap. The palace ladies, Ruchina and Non, Siriniki. Nge, Iparinge. In the palace green color, the Mengwi green. So the sons of the deceased getting prepared for their tooth filing with lotus leaf. It's a symbolic tooth filing this morning. So this tooth filing celebrants are filing in to pray at the Puspa Linga, the main central shrine here. Srichina offering a little 5,000 rip in the form of a butterfly for late husband's journey. Where are the glasses, did you say? Ah, I didn't get that. That's brilliant. And the Pararai, the little profile, the face was made by Idabagus Alit from Lord Tundu. Magical special little sunglass offering, 4 rings. Photo of the deceased at the back. Puspalinga here, I think. Something else, not Puspalingas, with the Chamara and the... The boys praying to the Puspalinga of their father, sitting up there. Special sunglasses and 4 rings on his Puspalinga. So the barker's now telling everyone, all the celebrants, they have to wait in the eastern corner while the cow goes around. Then they have to go back to their room in the west corner, where they'll be fetched one by one for the ceremony. The boys, the sons are climbing up to the Padma Lingam section, the spirit effigy section. Oh, they've been told to come down now because they have to witness the procession of the cow first. The Barker, who's the Brahmin from the local Gede, was a great friend of the deceased. So the Rantasan and the various palace standards and the calling all the women and the young girls to take everything down for the procession. Part of the procession of the one freaked out Sampi. So the holy she-white cow will lead the procession. So the main Puspalinga are out now. And it's at this point that the Barker mentioned they become Dewata. It's the third one. So it's a procession of the Puspalinga, which will be led by the Sapi Lumbu and a Brahmin or a Pradanda. Okay, the fisherman and the farmer have arrived. Extremely good looking. The Kidong have started spontaneously. The best looking Manku. Best looking Manku. We've got the Kasa on the right bow, the right shoulder. Ah. It's not enough Kasa, so they've called for more. Here comes another. Here comes another roll of Kasa. Ida Bagus has got it all worked out. The Barker. Which jam the Rolex was here. They're all coming down now. Or something. I mean, there's always like, yeah, they've got those little tags on them. That's the names. Wow, look at that beautiful shot with the spunks. What a beautiful scene. It's starting to march around, the procession around the Piadnyan. Tukang Ngogo, Tukang Layang. Oh, here's the man on the water buffalo. Abu Agung from the Gamelan. The ladies are making special little things here. So they're taking some of the earth that's been trodden on by the cow, putting it together with some Chinese coins and some Don Napiniki. Don Napiniki. Don Apo. Napi? Don Dadapo. Beautiful. Even the pangirings Sawa are stunning. Mengwi style. Beautiful. Oh, cik aing je sawan pengiringnya. There's a little 10,000 rip fan. Seket, duang dasa. So these are the celebrants from the tooth filing waiting for hours. Telephone to Jesus, oh what fun divine. Telephone to Jesus on the royal telephone. Telephone to Jesus. That was the banana llama doing a mood shot through the smoke. But aren't all the sawas stunning? Even the pengiring sawas are really agung and amazing. Boys watching their father's spirit effigy go past. Dwag masabong palos na agung to. Oh, kajit na sa visa. There's always one of these princes on the lembu offerings. Niki napi ada niki ya? Napi? Lembu. Cara arca lembu. What a lovely kiddo he's got. This is the Inyat Lambuma we see Suda. So the procession is to go across the bridge into a higher sphere, higher plane, a more refined, purified plane. The last of the 3 rounds of Buddhist perambulation. Nikki? Oh. Ni nak budo. Nak mancing. Melayangan. Niki Rarayangon ke? The Rarayangon. Sampi gede, kalau cene. Samping gading. Sampi gading. Jap penganggon makidong. Niki misi doang don cabang dadap. Changatlu. It's got to have 3 branches. Could learn a lot with this lady. Last sampon. Beautiful ceremony. Drag that chicken, Jero. It's a bit of Hawaiian voodoo here.
Not chicken.
Oh.
It's coins.
Really?
From Belanda, from Singapore.
No, it's extremely rare for a pale-faced wife, a haole of the First Order, to be given this honour. Turning back to the centre of the enclosure. 5-star spunk stand guard. Meh. Need that have been cepat. Menek Anjara, Made. She's being barked at. She's being screamed at to climb up inside. Here she is. They found her. Touching the, 3 times touching with the tombak. Reinstall the Puspalingam. presumably is now in a higher-fied state as a Dewata. And back into the box.